Here are 5 fruits that are packed with nutrients and offer a variety of health benefits. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries rich in antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage and chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Citrus fruits, grapefruits, oranges, lemons excellent source of vitamin C, which is important for immune function and collagen production. Pomegranate contains antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Kiwi, packed with vitamin C, fiber, and potassium, which can help with digestion, blood pressure regulation, and immune function. Apple, a good source of fiber and pectin, which can help with digestion and cholesterol levels. Apples also contain quercetin, an antioxidant that may help reduce inflammation. It's important to note that while these fruits can be beneficial for your health, they should be part of a balanced diet that includes other healthy foods. Consult a doctor for any specific health concerns.